Oh.
Just update your Tinder photo, put lip gloss on with it, and I promise it'll be like poppin'.
No. Just no.
Hey, I'm Nana.
And I'm Dasha.
And for the next 3 days, we'll be swapping skincare and makeup routines. Every day, my makeup is pretty much done to the T. I love to highlight, I love to contour. I definitely like to put a lot of lip gloss on, as you can see. I literally put 3 or 4 layers of lip. Actually, let me check and make sure I still have my lip gloss on right now.
Oh,
okay, I'm good.
I'm literally the most like minimalist person ever. I'm obsessed with skincare, but I do not wear makeup. Like I purely wore makeup for this video. Literally for me, it's just like concealer, eyebrows, and like mascara. And that's like...
Oh, foundation. Why are you doing this to me?
Why are you doing this to me? Makeup is not really my thing, but I love skincare. The reason I don't love to wear makeup is also because my skin is incredibly sensitive. So starting off with my morning, I usually like alternate between using this like oil wash. Then I always go in with my favorite toner. I have 3 different oils. I only use oils, I don't use creams. So are you ready to take care of your skin?
No. Now it's time for me to show you what you'll be doing for the next 3 days. So first we're gonna start with the highlighter. I like to kind of like layer up pretty thick with my foundation. Oh, and then primer. And then I use 2 concealers. Then I have 1 contour blush. Now we have the Nye banana powder. This is like baking life. And then you're gonna do a lot of lip gloss.
This I do not do. This I do not do.
I can't wait for this.
I do not do.
And so follow us for the next 3 days as we exchange makeup and skincare routines. So it's day 1. I'm nervous. I don't know. Can I do this? I'm gonna be looking my best with this. As you can see, none of this is makeup, so just keep me in your prayers, y'all. Like, this is about to be something else these next 3 days. Upward circular motion. Upward circular motion. My skin feels really soft right now. I just used the oil cleanser, and I don't know if it's because of the oil cleanser or what, but I'm liking it so far.
So it's day 1, and Nana's gonna be doing my makeup, and I am very excited. I am actually really excited. I am.
Oh,
this is his first foundation of years.
My gosh.
I'm really nervous. I like straight up look really terrified.
Gosh, so
look
good.
at how creepy I look. So this is the state of my face right now. She's like completely overlined my brows and they're like leaking. And so this is my look.
So beautiful. You literally look so
This
beautiful.
is crazy. Like, it's beautiful. This lovely lady did an insane job. Like, she did such a good job, but also, I don't think I've ever worn this much makeup in my life.
What do you think? Like, I haven't worn any makeup today. What are your thoughts?
It's a little shocking. I'm used to your face being like contoured to Kardashian levels. And for you to be all sweet faced and bare is weird.
How do you feel about my new face?
You look beautiful. Her eyebrows are super defined. It changes your face.
So I just cleansed my face. I did the whole nighttime routine, which consisted of like 3 different oils, cleanser, a clay mask, and I feel really hydrated.
The first day has been really weird wearing that much. A lot of people commented. A few people told me I was like one of the Kardashians. I'm gonna try it again tomorrow, and this time I'm gonna be doing it. Let's see if I can even figure out how.
Hey guys, so it is day 2 of this challenge. I just did a clay mask, which Dasha highly recommended. It feels good so far.
Hey, so it is day 2, and I am finally going to try to do this makeup look on my own. This is really weird.
I still have a few blemishes here and there, but it feels good to just like not have any makeup on my skin still.
All right, so my skin is done. I've just put on the foundation and some concealer on the bridge of my nose and under my eyes. And now I have to do some, what Nana calls baking. It's a lot of powder. carving those brows. Nana, this is annoying. I actually, like, I hate that I have to go through so much. I don't like this process, but like, straight up, I actually look like different, but like better.
So it's end of day 2 and I actually didn't leave my apartment at all today because I kind of just wanted to like sit home, let my face relax. I have to get comfortable with seeing my little imperfections on my face, which I'm not used to seeing because I usually cover up with makeup sometimes.
My eyes are so tired and I kept like rubbing my eyes just because I kept forgetting that I had mascara on. I actually really liked it. I felt very like, you know, done up and pretty and all those things. I hope my skin doesn't break out though. That's the one thing I'm like a little nervous about. I don't usually wear makeup, so putting that much on my face makes me a little nervous.
Day 3, last day with just a skincare routine.
I think all these beauty people are onto something. It's a good look. So it's day 3 and I am running late to work. I literally tried to do this as fast as I possibly could. The contour, the brows, lips, everything. Running so late. Oh God.
I am soaking in my eye mask right now. I feel rejuvenated. I feel alive. I feel cleansed. I feel free. I feel empowered. All of this because not a drop of makeup has touched my face in the last 3 days.
I've gotten a lot of compliments on my skin. I'm a little oily, so I probably need to touch that up as well. But I don't know. It's weird to get used to.
I'm just like basking in it because it's just like, it's such a good feeling to not wear makeup, guys.
Oh my God, this isn't even all of the makeup off. I still have stuff on my eyes and look at how much is on my skin. This is why I don't like wearing a lot of skin makeup.
Hey guys, so this is the end of the road for Try This Challenge. I felt pretty good about the whole process.
So truthfully, the most relieving feeling is taking all my makeup off. I feel so good right now. My skin feels like itself again. After the 3 days, I have learned that I do like contour. I do not like lip liner or lip gloss. And I will be implementing some of the things that Nana actually taught me into my routine. Shocker.
I just worried too much about other people's opinions, but now I feel really confident in my skin and I feel even more beautiful in my skin now. I'm really happy and I'm so thankful for all the skin treatments I did and just really allowing my skin to like have that time to breathe and relax and not clogging up my pores and just really opening up my skin to fresh air. I learned to be confident and to love yourself, and that means with and or without makeup, but to really learn and appreciate like the skin that you're in.
Thanks so much for watching. Bye.